Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can send money from Paysera to RedotPay. So I'm currently here in the Paysera website. So in here is where you see all the frequently asked questions, including on how you can transfer outside, EEA, or via online banking. So first you just have to log into your Paysera account, and from there you just go to the transfers and then tap on the bank transfer. So you will see the payer account to choose. So you can also choose the currency and the account that you want to transfer money from. And you just have to enter the recipient and transfer details. So to do that, you go to your RedotPay and then you tap on the deposit there. So I will just pop it on the screen so you will see it in there. And then you copy the transfer details from there. And then once you're done with that, you go back to the Paysera and then you tap on continue and then check the details and then you just go ahead and sign. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!